Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert and format hyperlinks in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then basically you have to search for here like Google Docs and open up the first link and then click on this link where it says go to Docs, and from here click on this blank option here. And basically let's suppose that if you want to insert the link here, you will place your cursor here and then click on insert, and then in the end here you can see that we have this link option, so just click on this one and now here basically you will enter the link. Okay, so I will just give it a link of basically google.com here basically, or I will just give it a link of youtube.com, and then you will insert a text. So you will type here YouTube and click on apply here, and now here you can see that we have this beautiful hyperlink in our text, and when someone clicks on it, it will show you the link, and when someone click on this link here basically like this one, the YouTube basically will open up in the new tab. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video.